What's up, YouTube? Welcome to an episode of The Joe Show. The Joe Show consists of traveling. I feel like staying here at home. I feel like I need a mental reset is basically what I'm trying to say. I already have a suitcase like packed, right? My mind just needs to get the fuck out of here. Good morning. Oh my god. Guys, look at this view. Yes, it is true. I literally just camped in my car. And guess how full it is? It's fucking 0 degrees. But like 0 degrees Celsius though, so like it's 32 Fahrenheit. Yeah, I use Celsius because Fahrenheit is all Fahrenheit is actually pretty confusing. Like once you understand how Celsius works, it's just it makes like measuring temperature just like way more easier. Okay, but what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna watch the sunrise because as you can see the sun still has not rised. And I'm gonna just read because I want to get smarter. I want to get more like words inside here. Like it's beginning of my like character development. Like I'm basically moving out. Guys, look at this. This is literally my view. Like, so you're seeing me, and then this is what I'm looking at. My leg. Like, sheesh. This is like $1 million view, bruh. This is a fucking $1 million view. Like, oh, and then especially how the heater is on too, and then like now I'm all like warm and cozy. Oh, there's my 6:39 alarm. Guys, the sun. Guys, look at me like my eyes are burning. Whoa, it's just, bro, this is like the perfect sun gaze ever. What the oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh, snappers. This is low-key, like, really peaceful. Like, I'm the only person here. I should go, like, hike down there. So a question you're probably asking yourself right now as you are watching this video, like, Joe, why the fuck are you camping in your car and with that sick ass view? And the reason I'm camping in my car is because I can camp in my car. And I just did. Plus, look at this view. Fuck. I'm so happy right now. I have not seen the sun like straight up like this like in so long, like, especially since it's like sunrise. Right now I am heading to a diner to get some coffee and do some work. Getting out, look at this, like I have like a bed back there, like just looking at these views, exploring new places. Like this is what drives me, like, to be human. Like I literally ordered the kids French toast. Look at this. Like this lady at the diner was telling me about, I don't know, Canal Meadow Trails, but this is it, and it looks like it's closed and there's no one else here. You know what I'm just gonna do? I'm gonna roll a joint, because I wanna know why? Because something about California is that it's legal. I got some weed, it was gifted to me. Thank you. Shout out to you know who, you all. Number one thing about like having a car is that like you're always weary about like where you're gonna fucking park your car and like where you're gonna leave your car. It's really annoying, and it's especially scary when your car is your only form of transportation and it has like all your shit inside it, and imagine someone stealing your car. Knock on fucking wood. I'm gonna like just knock on something. If not having a bathroom, not having a room to stay is the opportunity cost of freedom, then you know what? I don't care. like I don't care. Like
Kitty really? Yeah.
I think it's so funny how like old western towns like this like still exist. Like shit. Like you gotta really be small town living to be living here. It's so funny, and the people that work here and then like are from here, they have like accents, and it's like you're back in time. Like bitch, the year is 2023. Like and like shit still looks like this. It's crazy. Okay, like I feel like this is where like murders happen and shit. Like places like this. I feel like I'm in an old western movie. Off-roading America, the land of the free. What does it mean to be an American? Like freedom, the rat race. I feel sequestrated here right now. It's just like, you know, a good like mental reset or whatever. So funny, like I'm so used to automatic doors that like all the doors here are like if you're going inside a house, so like you have to like open it and close it behind you, and then like when you leave you have to open it and close it behind you. Guys, what the fuck is that sound? Do y'all hear that shit? What the fuck? Okay, I came back to like the spot that I was earlier, and I was able to bring my car down. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna like chill, sunbathe, maybe get in the water a bit.
Loving the light, who knows where she got them down. She just found
Drink water.
She got the whole
Good morning. I'm fucking cold. It looks so beautiful. It's time to leave. I'm pretty sure there's like nowhere to charge anything. Plus, I'm just like over it already. Like, I'm gonna go to the coast, but first stop, I'm gonna go to Bakersfield, probably go to like a Starbucks, charge some stuff. Really out here being a homeless person. Okay guys, I just stopped at this like market to probably get some snacks. These just remind me of my childhood. Guys, best cereal in America. Here's the section where I'm still illegal. Like, can you believe that? Queso fresco? That's just gas. Especially just put it on top of like spaghetti. Oof. Instead of Parmesan, put queso fresco. Thank me later. I guess that's all. Peace out.